Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I want to draw some titles with you for your bullet journal. And here's what you need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. I have the scribbles that matter. Then I have my Tombow dual brush pen and a micron fine liner. And then we can get started. I'm using a double page, but you basically just need one page, yeah, so I'm using the right page, and this is more like a reference page, which means I most probably will go back here more often because I want to have it as an idea book more or less for titles. So this will help me to just identify which title I can use for what spread. Yeah, when I have a spread and I'm not sure what title I can use, I can just go to this reference page and then pick a title and use it. Don't forget, whenever you do that, please grab a piece of paper, a note paper, and just draw it first before you start drawing it into your bullet journal. I know it doesn't look very complicated, but if you are using other words, yeah, you might have them longer or shorter, and it doesn't fit like that anymore because you don't want to use title all the time, right? So it's a good idea to first look and have and try it out, so before you put it into your bullet journal. I have now picked a somehow golden Tombow, and I just did that so you can see it much better. It's not yellow, so it's not too bright, so you can still see it well here in this video. But I also wanted to have it not that mixed, so I don't want it to use too many colors for this page. So whenever you draw titles, keep in mind that you limit yourself to 1 or 2 colors per spread, maybe 3, but that's enough. Otherwise it looks too colorful and mostly it doesn't look good. I don't say it always doesn't look good, that's not true, but mostly it won't. So better is to just add a little bit of color than having too much on the first hand. So better you start with just 1 or 2, and then you can expand, of course. As always, you can find in our store a little doodle sheet, so you can grab that. It's totally free, and then you can use it to just start drawing a title, get a little bit of feeling for that, and try yourself out. And you just can print it out, and I show you step by step what you need to do. And yeah, it might get much easier when you start drawing that in your bullet journal then. So maybe you just want to try it out. So click on the info box below, and there you can find all the links you need for this spread. You will also find a link to my Tombow set, so I'm pretty proud of that. I got it for Christmas, and it has 108 Tombow pencil, and you know, it's amazing. There are so many wonderful colors, and maybe it's a little bit over the moon, but you know, sometimes you just need something really special, and that was something really special for me. I didn't even ask for it, I just got it, and a few of my family members put together, and then I got the whole set. So I'm pretty happy about that. But you can of course get smaller sets with Tombows, and they are well worth to buy, because as you can see here, this is a calligraphy pen, the side, and on the other side you can draw with a much smaller pen. So that's great, and also you can use some water, so you have a watercolor effect with your pencils. This is pretty cool as well. yeah, that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you have now a lot of inspiration for different titles you can use for your bullet journal. Don't forget to try them out before you put them into your bullet journal. And if you liked it, please don't forget to give us a thumb up, subscribe to our channel, and maybe also click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, that's it. So have a wonderful day and I talk to you soon. Bye.